Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Oh, these mosquito bites make me itch. Yeah, there are lots of mosquitoes during the rainy season. Did you have some sleep last night? As a matter of fact, I did. I even had some nice dreams. Good for you. I couldn't sleep at all last night. Why? Is it because of the mosquitoes? Yep. Didn't you put on some mosquito repellent? No, I can't sleep with it. It makes me feel hot and sticky. Maybe you should try using a mosquito net. A mosquito net? Yes, it's a type of fine net that you hang around your bed to keep the mosquitoes away. That's a brilliant idea. I'm going to get one of those. Conversation 2. How was your sleep last night? Oh, perfect. Finally, I could sleep. Did you use a mosquito net? Yes, I did. I think I can sleep well every night now. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Some people find it uncomfortable using a mosquito net. It's okay with me. I find it very comfortable. I didn't get any mosquito bites at all last night. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. Did you have some sleep last night? How was your sleep last night? Could you sleep well last night? I couldn't sleep at all last night. I can't sleep if I put on some mosquito repellent. I can sleep very well every night now. Notes: I can't sleep. I couldn't sleep. Kedua kalimat ini sama-sama artinya saya tidak bisa tidur. Apa bedanya? I can't sleep digunakan untuk sebuah kebiasaan di masa sekarang atau sebuah fakta. I couldn't sleep digunakan untuk sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau atau yang sudah lewat. I can't sleep if I put it on. I couldn't sleep last night. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.